This is rusted junk here. I'm gonna do something little. I know when you're restoring cars, you're like, well, I gotta do this, I gotta do that, I gotta do all this stuff. But, you know, there's just little things that you can do. Just it's like little bites. How do you eat something big? Just by little bites. So you notice the handle right here, it's got a couple of things on the end that look like that on back of the driver's seat. This one just doesn't look good. Plastic ends are broken. I do have these. I got those from a Lincoln Continental. They do look the same. Remember, this is a Mercury. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this off, put the new plastics in, and just tighten it up, and it should be all good. So let's go to work. One-fourth inch. Got that plastic falling apart. We don't want to fully loosen this. We just want to get this plastic out of here. Because if you loosen it fully, whatever this is screwed into could possibly fall down, and then you got another issue. So we just want to get all this plastic out of here on both sides. Slide these new pieces in, like so. And you want to make sure you get enough leverage. So we're going to loosen this a little bit more. That's it. Don't go crazy. Obviously, I'm not doing something right. We're going to start with this side. All right, cool. We got that side in there. I want to loosen this one a little bit more, so we have some clearance. And there we go. Just want to ease it in there. Boom! There you go. Now we're going to tighten them just slightly. You don't want to over tighten it. You want to get at least, I want to say, your goal is to at least get it probably about 10 to 15 foot-pounds. But I wanna just kind of forgot something, because there's just a attention to detail here. We want to cover these up, so we want to try to slide this in a little bit more. Just get it looking good. Neatness is a big thing with me. And if you're having a problem with one side, do the other side, you know, and just get it to where it's nice, like that. See it? All right. So we're gonna tighten this down just a little bit, just so it's snug. Now let's get this side in here where it's neat. and we're not pulling out on the other side here. We just want to get it just right. If you gotta loosen this a little bit more, do what you gotta do. But take your time, do not rush. And if you gotta take this off, got some lawn mowing going in the background, thanks to one of my neighbors. Obviously, I'm having a little issue with this side right here. I may have to pull this out just a little bit more, just so I can get this right, so it's neat. I do have it off, so let's hope and pray that nothing falls down and I have other issues. This side just wants to fight me. Come on, get in there. My gosh. So we're gonna have to get a tool. So we're gonna try to tuck this in right here, since this one wants to be difficult with us. There we go. There. Okay. Neat. And it's not neat. Oh, we're going to tighten it first, then we'll tuck it in, and we'll adjust it from there. We didn't have anything fall through. So let's go ahead and tighten this. Just snug. So like I said, 15 foot-pounds. That's it. All right, that's tightened right there. Let's see if we can adjust this even just a little bit. My God. Like, damn you, Ford. Come on. That's a little better. There we go. There we go. Now that we have these tightened, we're going to take these, put it on here, like so. Put this one on here like so. I can do this correctly. And voila! We have one little bite restored back to the way it should be.